Struggling with digestion, bloating, or low energy? It could be your gut health. Your gut, including your stomach, intestines, and microbiome, affects everything from digestion to immunity, even your mood. But what affects your gut health? Diet plays a huge role. Stress can cause inflammation. Poor sleep can disrupt your gut in just 48 hours. And even some medications can throw things off balance. Signs your gut might need some TLC: frequent bloating, irregular bowel movements, food sensitivities, fatigue, and brain fog. Want better gut health? Here's how. Eat fiber-rich foods like oats and bananas. Enjoy fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi. Stay hydrated. Reduce processed foods and stress. Get quality sleep. Supplements can help too. Probiotics and prebiotics balance your gut bacteria. Digestive enzymes boost nutrient absorption. Collagen can help repair your digestive tract. Quick myth check. Probiotics alone aren't magic. Good carbs like fiber help your gut. Detox diets? Not a proven fix. Small changes in diet, stress, and sleep can transform your gut health and your life. Ready to take the first step toward better digestion? Click the link in the description and start your gut health journey today.